Rasul al-Mustafa ya Nabi mujtaba ya Fadima binti Dana gare ki na zo rogona ki gara saitan harshe na yabanki ya zama aikina oh aikina ya Rasul al-Mustafa ya Nabi mujtaba when you my leader please assist me my lover and I wanna see you in my dreams. I know you know my problems, oh my problems. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, you are one my hero. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, sayyidi sakalain. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, sayyidil kaunain. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, anjalal ainaini. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, sahibul burhani. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, rahmatan lillahi. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, rahatul arwahi. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, let me be a lover anyhow. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, I will never leave you anyhow. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, in anywhere nobody like in this world. Assalatu wassalamu alayka, I love you more than my parents. Sallallahu alayka wa sallam. Ya Rasul al-Mustafa ya Nabi mujtaba matsayinka ya zarce wawa domin da ita na yi shaguwa balle uba ba tunawa ai sai da kai ne ake zuwa oh ake zuwa I will never leave you Habibuna, I love you too Nabina. I love you is necessary, oh it's necessary. Ya Rasul al-Mustafa ya Nabi mujtaba isa tana kasanka ne girma ai takalmanka ne kamar ka ai babu ne idan da shi to wane ne oh to wane ne. Ya Rasul al-Mustafa ya Nabi mujtaba when I win die come to me Habib and you escape me from azab and I will die anytime around. I will back to my Lord Allah, oh my Lord Allah. Anywhere I go kai kadai nake ta sacin shugaba ka kara bani kai nake wajetin ba kwatankwacin sa ko ina mu ji mitinki everywhere I the king nobody should doubt him. I said nobody should doubt him. Yes, oh my son, I will say something. Peace be upon you, my brothers in Islam religion. And I want you to know something about our lover and our leader. He is the one, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is the warning to all the Muslim peoples that are around this world. Do not leave Allah's loving Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because he is the only one and one that can open anywhere in paradise. I hope you realize what I'm saying. May Almighty Allah try to giving us loving of His messenger and His family. The reason why I say that His loving Prophet is the sources of life. And I am from Jama'atu Hababu Rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wasallam under Sheikh Sharif Sani Jambulo radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And our guy's name is Rijal al-Nabi. Leader of Rijal al-Nabi is Maulana Sayyidi Noura KNC. Thank you for here.